Greetings, welcome to Yoovic. How to apply as a seller. Search Yoovic on Google Chrome. Search yoovic.com to start selling in USA or search yoovic.ae to start selling in UAE. There are same process of registration for both platforms. Once it's open, don't go this section, it's customer registration section. Here all options are for customers, not sellers. Find Become a Seller in header, then scroll down, navigate to footer, and you will find Become a Seller button to start your journey. Once you find the button, click on it. Read all the information provided, then click on Start Selling Today. Fill out all details according to your government-issued identity card: first name, last name, correct email address, your country, mobile number, and write down the password, then repeat password and remember it for login. Your account referral code is optional. If you don't have, then don't write. Then click on Next button to proceed to next page. Provide your shop details. If you don't have physical shop, don't worry, select a good shop which will suitable for your store. Write down the address on your government-issued identity card. Then click on Next button to proceed to third step. This is subscription information page. Read all the provided services which are included in premium services. Then select the plan and proceed to next page. Fill the business location as United States of America. Select the document want to submit for verification. Want to register on business details. Select privately owned business and fill all the required details. For individual details, click on individual and fill the details. Submit your government-issued card front image and back images. Then fill out your email, cardholder name, card number, CVV, and expiry details and pay the subscription fee to activate your account.